Welcome back to Strike Victor, the home of power, courage, and the future of air dominance. Today, our journey takes us to South America, where Argentina, a nation with resilience carved into its history, is rising once again with the strength of its skies. For decades, Argentina's Air Force fought with aging aircraft, a shadow of its glory during the Falklands War era. But 2026 marks a turning point. A nation long constrained by embargoes and limited budgets is now making bold moves, pushing to modernize its fighter fleet and missile systems. From the skies over Patagonia to the Atlantic coast, Argentina's air power is stepping into a new chapter. With negotiations around advanced fighters like the JF-17 Thunder from Pakistan and China, Gripen E from Sweden, and even potential F-16 fighting Falcons from the US, Argentina is preparing to reclaim its place among modern air forces. These jets represent more than machines. They are symbols of hope, sovereignty, and deterrence. Imagine the roar of afterburners over Buenos Aires. Sleek fighters cutting through the clouds, carrying state-of-the-art missiles. Beyond airframes, Argentina's eyes are set on weaponry. With growing cooperation with China, the PL-12 and PL-15 long-range air-to-air missiles could one day guard Argentine skies, matching rivals in range and precision. Anti-ship missiles also take priority, as Argentina seeks to secure the South Atlantic waters. Inside the cockpit, it's a transformation. Glass displays, advanced avionics, electronic warfare suites, all designed to protect pilots and give them split-second superiority. For a country that once flew Mirage 3 fighters from a past era, this leap into the 21st century is monumental. But it's not just about performance, it's about survival. With advanced countermeasures, missile warning systems, and reinforced training, Argentina's pilots will fly with confidence, knowing they have the tools to defend their homeland. Each aircraft becomes not just a machine of war, but a guardian of sovereignty. Argentina's skies are changing. The world watches as this South American giant takes its bold step into the modern air combat arena. For Argentina, 2026 is more than a year. It is a statement that no matter the challenge, no matter the odds, a nation with courage can rise again. This is Strike Victor reminding you that in every aircraft, in every missile, and in every heartbeat of a nation's defense, there lies a story of determination. If you felt the power of Argentina's journey today, subscribe and join us as we continue to unveil the wings of tomorrow.